So here we are with the completed bag movement alarm box. Inside is a Trinket Pro along with an accelerometer and a bunch of resistors, capacitor, and a bunch of other things. So this is the completed box into this project box that I've managed to purchase. So in order to turn it on, you press and hold the power button right here, and then the light flashes indicating that you need to enter your secret code. So I just entered the secret code. Now that gives you 20 seconds to put it stationary. So you put it stationary wherever you want, and that is indicating that right there that it's sort of waiting for you to put it stationary. So right now I've got it set for 20 seconds. So once it's stationary, then it sits there and it's listening to the accelerometer. So if you move it a little bit, you'll see that little green flash right there. And then if you move it too much, it sets off the alarm. So I re-enter the code, and that shuts the box off, and then it powers off inside. So now it's no longer on. If I want to turn it on, if I turn it on and I press and hold, and the code is flashing and I enter the wrong code, or I don't enter any code, say it's an accidental press inside the bag, then the system just shuts itself off, which is a bit of a protection mechanism. Finally, if I turn it on and then I enter it in the right code, and then I let it sit for 20 seconds. Apologies for making you have to sit through this, but once it's programmed in the box, it doesn't really change. So let's see when it goes off. There you go. So now if I move it slightly, it will cause the green light to move. So at the end of the night, if you don't want to put the alarm off, you can just enter the code directly, and so it will flash briefly and then will shut off. So now it is off. So those are the different parts of the user experience. The final bit is if I open up the battery. So in here I've got a 9-volt battery, and I put a little bit of padding in to make the battery fit snug. Unfortunately, when I put this piece of padding in, the glue was a little hot, but it still provides adequate padding that's in there. So if I change this battery that I have, which is a new battery, and I change it for a used battery that I have, and put this in the box, that's done snugly up. Now when I press the power button right here, and it comes on, then the yellow light lights as well, indicating that the battery is low. So I'm just going to let it flash itself off. So now it's gone off. So that yellow light indicates that the battery is low. And in this sketch right now, I've actually got it set so that if the battery voltage, this is typically a 9-volt battery, as you can see, 9 volts. If it's below 6.5 volts, then it gives you an indication that it's off, because the battery curve actually kind of goes down at that point in time, but also the Trinket Pro inside can actually take about 5.5 volts. So that's the limit. So there you go. The battery movement alarm box made with a Trinket Pro inside, designed for preventing your bag from being stolen.